My name is Roxann. I'm perennial staff at Tagawa, and this is my garden. We started this garden in 1999. I always have been under the mentality of a cottage garden, and a cottage garden is you have things grow everywhere, and it doesn't really have a rhyme or reason. I have a lot of things planted by the wind, or a lot of things planted by the birds. My grandmother was a very amazing gardener. She had peonies and apple trees, and she grew vegetables. So I learned a lot from her, and in fact I still have one of her peonies. I moved it from Minnesota to Wyoming, and then I moved it, after my mom passed away, I moved it to Colorado. I do plant a lot of things to remind me of my mom. She likes gardening, but it wasn't a big thing for her. And then it hit me that I love to garden. I've been gardening since I was 10. And then now my granddaughter loves to garden. So she'll come and get ideas for me. And so this spring, we actually went to Tagawa and picked out certain plants for her garden. And then she planted a bunch of seed for her vegetable bed. This garden was really hard because we were making the debate on if we wanted to sell this house or not. I have put a lot of work into this garden. And we decided not to sell this house and to grow old here now. I guess this is my legacy for the kids, for my grandkids. I hope that they will get something from this. I'm hoping my grandsons, they're 6 now, my twin grandsons, so I'm hoping that they will be gardeners too. We're keeping my fingers crossed. So.